Okay, now this is a safety. It sits underneath. It sits underneath. It sits underneath. And this is over here. Yeah. So this is the scene's still going on, right? This is the safety
And then what we'll probably do to end the scene is we can have we'll just put in a couple bars of drum fill.
Yeah.
Really, so we know that it's coming out.
So you'll know when it's coming, but we'll get you to your spots. You need to be by this part, and you can drink and down and toast and down and get drunker and down and smoke a cigarette. And so we'll have all this going on in slow motion. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Take it home, people. Give it to me. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.